Is this videoing?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
This is our finished product of our twisted ribeye and our bloopers. We will be uploading weekly videos of our YouTube channel. I meant not YouTube channel. I meant cooking channel.
It's alright.
No, it's not.
No, because you can just do 2 videos.
No, it needs to be 1.
It's screen recording.
No, it needs to be 1 video.
Babe, we're not doing that. Go.
If you guys
Stop. The spunkiness.
I'm spunky. Okay, this is our finished Shuck Charms ribeye and our Shuck Charms twisted.
Stop. You're gonna eat it and be like, let's just give this a try.
No, I have to do the follow us on.
Yeah, let's give this. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Ready? 1.
I have to do it all again.
No.
You sure? Can you put it together?
Yeah. 1.
Please check us out on Shuck Charms Twisted Products Instagram and follow our Facebook page.
Time out.
Please like our pages, Shuck Charms Twisted Products. Also, what?
You looked at me.
If you guys are on
Come on,
social...
stop. Ready? Go.
Hey, if you guys are on the fork, I need to put my hand.
Ready? Go.
If you guys are on Facebook and Instagram, please. Somebody's calling me. Sorry.
It's gonna be the best bloopers ever. What?
Okay, there's somebody calling.
Who is it?
I don't know. Oh, that stopped.
Oh my gosh. Becky!
What am I saying?
Eat it.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it now.
Oh yeah. How is it?
It's really good.